Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Primo Water Bottle Caps is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who relies on a Primo water dispenser for their daily hydration needs, ensuring a seamless and hygienic water supply without any leaks or spills. These caps are designed to fit perfectly onto the Primo water jugs, creating a secure seal that prevents contamination and maintains the purity of the water inside, making them an indispensable part of the Primo water system for both home and office environments. Number 5. Flip It Bottle Emptying Kit, 6-pack. Are you tired of throwing away products with usable amounts left inside? With this kit, you can finally get every last drop you paid for, eliminating waste and saving money. This innovative solution is designed to work with most standard screw-top plastic bottles. Its universal fit makes it a versatile addition to your household essentials. Using it is incredibly simple. Just replace your bottle's original cap, stand it upside down, and let gravity do the rest. Open the valve and squeeze for easy dispensing. Each kit includes multiple base caps and adapters, allowing you to set up to 6 bottles simultaneously. This means you can empty multiple products with ease. This amazing product has been recognized on popular shows like Shark Tank, QVC, HSN, and Good Morning America. It's a fan favorite for a reason. Stop wasting product and struggling to get the last bits out. This kit ensures you access everything you've paid for, making product usage hassle-free. What we like? Tired of shaking and squeezing out the last bit of product? This kit is designed to help you get every drop from your bottles, eliminating waste. If you frequently use products in plastic bottles and hate leaving anything behind, you should consider this. What people say. The caps are a perfect fit for the Primo water jugs. They create a tight seal, preventing leaks and spills. Easy to use and remove, making water changes hassle-free. Number 4. Gofriipai 3 and 5 gallon water jug caps. Tired of messy spills? These caps provide a perfect, tight seal for both upright and sideways storage, ensuring no leaks. They fit most 2, 3, and 5 gallon water bottles with a 55 to 60 mm opening. Make a sustainable choice and save money by ditching single-use plastic caps. These reusable caps can be used thousands of times, making them a great solution for storing and dispensing water. Say goodbye to struggling with difficult plastic caps. Our caps are designed for easy on and off, protecting your hands and fingernails. We've upgraded the design with an anti-drop feature to prevent the inner lid from falling into your water container. They are also thicker and more durable than before. Crafted from 100% food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these caps are built to last. They are high-temperature resistant and dishwasher-safe for your convenience. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, please don't hesitate to contact us for a solution. What we like? This cap offers a superior seal to prevent spills, even when stored sideways. Made from food-grade silicone, it's a reusable and cost-effective alternative to single-use caps. If you're looking for a reliable, spill-proof solution for your water dispenser that's easy to use and eco-friendly, this is a great choice. What people say. The caps fit perfectly on the Primo water bottles. These caps are very durable and have held up well with repeated use. The design of the caps makes them easy to open and close, preventing spills. Number 3. Myvision Secure Cap for 5 gallon water dispenser. Introducing the Myvision Secure Cap, designed for your 5 gallon water dispenser. This reusable cap ensures a clean and spill-free experience every time you use your water jug. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, it's BPA-free, sturdy, and durable. It's also high-temperature resistant and dishwasher-safe for your convenience. Designed to fit most 3 to 5 gallon water bottles with a 55 mm to 60 mm opening, it creates a flexible yet tight seal. This ensures a perfect fit and prevents leaks. Installation and removal are a breeze, requiring just a simple touch. By choosing our reusable caps, you're saving money and reducing waste from single-use plastic caps. We offer a 2-year replacement service. If your cap gets damaged, simply contact us through your Amazon order, and we'll send you a new one without requiring you to return the old one. What we like? This cap provides a tight seal for your water dispenser, ensuring a secure fit for the pump and preventing leaks. Its durable, food-grade silicone construction is built to last, and it even comes with a 2-year replacement service for peace of mind. If you prioritize a secure pump connection and long-term reliability for your water cooler, this option is ideal. What people say. The caps fit perfectly on the Primo water jugs. These caps are very sturdy and well made. They create a tight seal, preventing any leaks. Number 2. WINBOB 55mm non-spill water bottle caps. Tired of messy water bottle refills? Introducing our innovative non-spill caps designed for a clean and easy pour every time. These caps are specifically designed to fit standard 3 and 5 gallon water bottles. Enjoy a secure and leak-proof seal. Simply snap them on for an instant, secure fit. No tools or complicated steps needed, just a hassle-free experience. Our unique design prevents splashing and ensures that every drop goes where it should. Keep your space clean and dry. Get a convenient 5-piece set, perfect for multiple bottles or as replacements. They are built to last and provide reliable performance. Make refilling your water bottles a breeze. These caps offer a superior solution for a cleaner, more efficient way to dispense water. What we like. Designed for convenience, these caps feature a snap-on design that is easy to install and remove. They provide an anti-splash seal to keep your water clean and fresh. If you need a simple, effective, and multi-pack solution for your 3 or 5 gallon water jugs, this is a practical option. What people say. The caps fit perfectly on the 5 gallon water jugs. These caps are a great replacement for the original ones that came with the water dispenser. They create a good seal and prevent leaks. Number 1. Non-spill 3 and 5 gallon water jug cap replacement, 20-pack. These caps are designed to fit most standard 3 and 5 gallon water bottles with a 55mm snap-on opening. Please ensure your bottle is not a screw-top type for a perfect fit. Experience a truly leak-free hydration solution. Our upgraded non-spill plug system ensures no splashes or leaks, even when the bottle is stored on its side, keeping your water pure and safe. Crafted from 100% food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these caps are healthy and environmentally friendly. They are odorless and easy to clean, making them dishwasher safe for your convenience. Prevent dust and contaminants from entering your water supply. These lids ensure your stored water remains pure and fresh, perfect for refilling your home or office water cooler. Installing these caps is a breeze. Simply place it on top and press down firmly until you hear a pop for a secure, spill-free seal. Removal is just as easy by tearing off the excess edge. What we like. This pack offers a universal fit for most standard snap-on 3 and 5 gallon water bottles, ensuring a completely leak-free experience. The upgraded plug system guarantees no spills, even when the bottle is on its side. If you need a large quantity of reliable, eco-friendly, and leak-proof caps for your home or office water cooler, this bulk pack is an excellent value. What people say. The caps are a perfect fit for the Primo water jugs. These caps are very durable and seal tightly, preventing any leaks. Easy to use and remove, making water changes hassle-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.